Hey there, I'm here to share my honest experience with the top electric scooters for kids. I bought and tested each one so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash on the wrong product. Trust me, finding the right scooter can feel overwhelming, but I've sifted through the options to bring you the best 5. Let's jump in. Product number 1, Aero Big Wheels Kick Scooter. When I first laid eyes on the Aero Big Wheels kick scooter, I was drawn to its vibrant pink color and sleek design. As a parent, I wanted something that not only looked cool but was also safe and durable for my 8-year-old daughter. We took it out for our first ride in the neighborhood, and I was immediately impressed by the comfort and smoothness of the ride. The 7-inch Big PU wheels, combined with the built-in shock absorption, made navigating the bumpy sidewalk a breeze. The motion-activated light-up wheels added an element of excitement, especially when my daughter zoomed down the street, leaving a trail of colorful lights behind her. I could see the joy on her face, which made me realize how important it is for kids to have fun while being active. The adjustable handlebar was another fantastic feature, allowing the scooter to grow with her. At first, I was worried about assembly, but to my surprise, it came fully assembled. I just had to unfold it and adjust the height. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: the Aero scooter is very lightweight, making it easy for my daughter to handle. The foldable design is a game changer for storage and transport, especially when we take it along on family outings. The safety features like the handbrake and shock absorption give me peace of mind. The colorful lights are a hit with kids, and let's face it, any added fun element is a win in my book. Cons: the weight limit of 176 pounds might pose a problem if you have older kids or teens looking to use it. Also, while the wheels are great for smooth surfaces, they can struggle a bit on gravel or uneven terrain. So why should you buy the Aero Big Wheels Kick Scooter? If your child is between the ages of 6 to 12 and you want them to enjoy the outdoors while exercising, this scooter is an excellent investment. It's a scooter that not only prioritizes safety, but also encourages kids to get outside and have a blast. Plus, the aesthetic appeal is an added bonus for kids who want to look cool while riding around. Product number 2, TONBUX Kids Scooter. The moment I unboxed the TONBUX Kids Scooter, I was excited to see how it would perform. With its striking blue color and innovative design, it instantly caught my son's attention. He's always on the lookout for something that feels fun and adventurous, and this scooter promised just that. We took it to the park, and I watched as he leaned into the turns, effortlessly navigating the pathways. The lean-to-steer mechanism was a fantastic feature. It allowed him to build his balance and coordination without feeling overwhelmed. The multiple height adjustments were a huge plus. As he grows, this scooter adapts, which means we won't have to buy a new one every couple of years. The easy folding mechanism was also incredibly handy. I could fold it up in seconds and toss it in the trunk, making it a great option for family outings. Plus, the light-up wheels added an extra layer of fun, illuminating our evening rides. When it comes to pros and cons, here's what I found. Pros: the scooter is lightweight yet sturdy, which means my son can easily maneuver it. The anti-slip wide deck provides a secure standing space, which is essential for young riders. The safety features, like the double lock stem, are reassuring as a parent. The fact that it comes fully assembled is a huge time saver, and I appreciate that it can be folded up easily for storage. Cons: while the lean-to-steer system is great for developing coordination, it may take some getting used to for younger kids. Additionally, the weight limit of 50 kilograms might restrict older or heavier kids from using it comfortably. So why buy the TONBUX Kids Scooter? If you're looking for a fun, safe, and adjustable scooter for kids aged 3 to 12, this is a fantastic choice. The combination of safety features, easy transport, and stylish design makes it a worthwhile investment for any parent wanting their child to enjoy the outdoors. Product number 3, ZIFFY Scooter for Kids. When I first tried out the ZIFFY scooter for kids, I was impressed by how sturdy it felt. Made from durable materials, it seemed designed to withstand the rough and tumble of everyday use. My 10-year-old son was eager to ride it, and as soon as he hopped on, he was off. The ABEC 9 bearings and advanced suspension made for an exceptionally smooth ride, whether we were cruising down the street or hitting the park trails. The adjustable height feature is fantastic, allowing it to accommodate riders from 3.9 to 6.2 feet tall. This means that not only does my son enjoy it, but I can also take it for a spin. The safety features like the aluminum handbrake and double lock handlebars gave me peace of mind knowing he was secure while riding. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the scooter is built for active outdoor play, encouraging kids to explore safely. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, which is perfect for our family. The wide anti-slip deck allows for a secure footing, and the weight limit of 260 pounds means it can handle a bit of roughhousing. The lifetime service guarantee is a nice touch, providing additional support after purchase. Cons: some users might find the scooter a bit heavier than other models, which could be a consideration for younger kids. Additionally, while the design is sleek, it may not appeal to every child's taste. So why should you invest in the ZIFFY scooter for kids? If you're looking for a robust, versatile scooter that can adapt as your child grows, this is a great option. It combines safety, durability, and fun, making it a fantastic choice for families who want their kids to enjoy the outdoors. Product number 4, GRENYX Kick Scooter. Upon unboxing the GRENYX Kick Scooter, I was immediately struck by its sleek black design and solid build. I took it to the local park where my 11-year-old daughter was excited to give it a try. The first thing she noticed was the smooth ride, thanks to the 8-inch wheels and advanced suspension. It felt stable even when we ventured off the paved paths, which is often a concern for parents. The dual brake safety system was impressive. It provided a reliable stopping power that made me feel secure letting her explore on her own. I also appreciated the loud alert bell, which gave her a way to signal to others when she was coming through the park. The adjustable height feature meant it was easy for her to find the perfect fit, and it was nice to know that it could grow with her. Now let's go through the pros and cons. Pros: the GRENYX scooter is incredibly versatile, suitable for kids, teens, and even adults. The anti-puncture tires make it ideal for various terrains, and the spacious anti-slip deck provides a secure standing area. The quick folding mechanism is a lifesaver for storage and transport. The lifetime support offer is a nice bonus, ensuring any issues are addressed quickly. Cons: while it's a great all-around scooter, the maximum load of 240 pounds might limit adult riders. Additionally, the scooter's weight might not be ideal for younger kids who require something lighter. So why should you consider the GRENYX Kick Scooter? If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and safe scooter for kids aged 6 and up, it's an excellent choice. It encourages outdoor activity and can be used by the whole family, making it a fantastic investment. Product number 5, LEYV Kids Scooter. I was eager to test the LEYV Kids Scooter, and as soon as I unboxed it, I was impressed by the blue and black color scheme. It's eye-catching, and I knew my kids would love it. My 9-year-old son was the first to give it a go. We took it to the park, and he immediately loved the one-step folding feature. It made it so easy to transport. He hopped on and took off, and I was amazed at how stable it felt. The 8-inch wheels glided smoothly over the pavement, and the rear brake offered solid stopping power. The adjustable height was fantastic, accommodating both my son and me. We had a fun race, and it was great knowing we could both use the same scooter comfortably. The wide anti-slip deck provided him with a secure ride, which is crucial for kids. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the LEYV scooter is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for commuting or outings. The spacious deck and high weight capacity mean it's suitable for both kids and adults. The foldable design is a huge plus for storage, and the rear brake adds an essential safety feature. Cons: some might find the aesthetic too simplistic if they prefer flashy designs. Also, while the scooter is versatile, it could struggle on rough terrains due to its design. So why should you buy the LEYV Kids Scooter? If you want a scooter that offers adaptability, safety, and convenience, this is an excellent option. It promotes outdoor activity and is fun for both kids and adults, making it a worthy investment for family adventures. To wrap things up, each of these scooters offers something unique, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for safety features, portability, or fun designs, there's a perfect scooter for your child in this list. Investing in any of these scooters means encouraging your kids to get outside and be active, which is something we can all support. Happy scooting!